Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on your Lexus RX 350. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 6 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands and wear gloves throughout the process. Now that you have your tools ready, let's begin by safely lifting your Lexus RX 350. Use sturdy jack stands to secure the vehicle properly. Next, locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan, which is typically found underneath the engine. Place your drain pan directly below the plug. Carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old, dirty oil to drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to the rubber gasket of the new filter. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new oil filter until snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug securely, being careful not to over-tighten it. Now for the final steps. Consult your owner's manual for the precise oil capacity of your Lexus RX 350. It's usually around 6 quarts. Slowly pour the new engine oil into the oil fill cap opening. Once filled, replace the cap, start the engine and let it run for about 1 minute. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick. Remember to dispose of the used oil responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.